Hobby PYT 623. So our second to last break. We have Classics H2 coming up next. 10 packs, 10 cards per pack. We have the H2 parallels. We'll find 10 numbered parallels. You guys are guessing the player on the last numbered parallel in here for 20 in credit. We can find those draft day signatures in here possible as well. This is 2022 football. So make sure if you guys guess a rookie, it is from the 22 class. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, there's Carson Palmer, Rashad Bateman, Tyreek Hill, Cade York rookie. There's a Galaxy rookie of Eric Azukanama. Kurt Warner is going to be out of 99, 89 out of 99. Going to the Rams. Charlie Kohler, Garrett Wilson, Powerhouse Cameron Hayward, Kenneth Walker on the season's greetings. Kid reporter card, next pack. Roquan Smith, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Harold Landry, Deontay Johnson. We got Najee Harris, Amani Oruwariye out of 75, 39 out of 75 on that one, going to the Lions. Drake London rookie, Brandon Smith, Jamar Chase any given Sunday. There's Keenan Allen on the franchise favorites. Next pack. We have Cordero Patterson, Damian Harris, Joey Bosa, Matt Judon, AJ Green on the Galaxy. How about Tua out of 199 for the Dolphins? George Karafalatis for Kansas City, Jerome Ford, Powerhouse, Jamar Chase, Malik Willis on the season's greetings for Tennessee. Sean, how you doing? Ready for that Classics H2 coming up? Kareem Hunt, Justin Simmons, Laremy Tunsil, Sean Alexander, James Cook on the Galaxy rookie for the Bills. John Dotson out of 499 for the Commanders. Jalen Tolbert, Fadarius Mathis, DeAndre Swift highlight reel, Living Legends, Jack Ham. There's Darnell Mooney. Why it keeps freezing up here? Kenyon Drake, Kadarius Toney, Mike Evans, Vaughn Miller on the Galaxy, Justin Ross out of 199 for Kansas City. We have Kobe Bryant, George Pickens rookie, Prestigious Pros, Trent Williams, Youth Movement, Elijah Moore. Get the quarter card there. Jim Kelly, Matthew Stafford, Mike Gesicki, Tom Brady. There's Amon-Ra St. Brown on the Galaxy. Deshaun Watson out of 249. On the green there for the Browns. We have Jalen Petrie, Brian Robinson Jr., rookie, Prestigious Pro, Zach Martin, Darius Leonard franchise favorites. Let's top load what we have here, and then we'll get through the last part of this. Okay, guys, you still have time to guess the player on the last numbered parallel in this break for 20 in credit. 4 packs left after this. And then we end the night with our Classics H2. We do have breaks on Monday, guys, so make sure you follow that future break schedule page. Buy your spots in the schedule breaks already. We'll be getting the rest of them up here tonight or tomorrow. Zach Martin, Tracy Walker, DK Metcalf, Daniel Jones, Barry Sanders. We have Chris Olave out of 449. Drake Jackson, Kyler Gordon, Jamar Chase highlight reel. Then we have the Living Legends, Rondé Barber. Jared Goff, Robert Quinn, Patrick Mahomes, Quinnen Williams. We have Kier Elam, Deebo Samuel out of 299. 155 out of 299. Jermaine Johnson, Velus Jones. Time stamped Packers, and then Justin Jefferson. Last 2 packs. It's the last numbered parallel. Player on the last numbered parallel. Matt Ryan, Mac Jones, Von Miller, Najee Harris, Quinnen Williams, Tyron Smith out of 449. Justin Ross, Treylon Burks rookie. Got a powerhouse of Antonio Gibson. Living Legends is Chris Johnson. Kid reporter card. Here's our last pack. I honestly don't know what the H2 stands for. Buda Baker, I guess like a, yeah, like hobby number 2. DeForest Buckner, Xavier Howard, Joe Theismann. Got DJ Moore. AJ Green is going to be the guest of the break. 73 out of 299. AJ Green was the guest of the break. There's Hassan Haskins, Devonta Price, Any Given Sunday, Peyton Manning, and a Heroes of Derrick Henry to end it. Let's top load recap. There's that. Classics H2 is coming up next. If there's any spots available, that link pinned in the chat will take you right to those breaks. And use the code at the top of the page to get 10% off. Let's do our recap here, and then we'll move on to that last break of the night. There's Chris Olave out of 449. Out of 299, Deebo Samuel. Out of 449, Tyrone Smith. Out of 299, AJ Green. Out of 99, Kurt Warner. Season's greetings, that is Kenneth Walker. Out of 75, Awarie. Out of 199, Tua. We have James Cook, Galaxy. Out of 449, Jahan Dotson. Out of 199, Justin Ross. And out of 249, Deshaun Watson. All right, that does it for this break. The last break of the night. Coming up next, our Classics H2. I have to figure out why. It seems like this is really freezing. Every time I kind of look up, it's like